Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to an update of your Sunday's weather forecast. Our satellite imagery shows the thunder showers that developed yesterday over parts of the Highveld, and those thunderstorms spread across many parts of Limpopo during the course of the evening, but then dissipated overnight once again. It was a cloudy start to the day for the escarpment areas and in the Lowveld, including in northern KZN. Their cloud is gradually dissipating, and there was also some cloud cover along parts of the Western Cape Coast. Now, there is a high-pressure system in the upper levels of the atmosphere that's very strong and continues to dominate across the central and western parts. This is keeping things very dry and not allowing for those thunder showers to develop, and also bringing in some very high daytime temperatures. Now, for the rest of today, it's going to become partly cloudy up in the northern parts. We are still expecting thunder showers to that area. There we see the futurecast indicating the precipitation. Otherwise, clear and dry weather expected for much of the rest of South Africa, but an approaching cold front will start to push in cloud along the west coast later on again. For tomorrow, we'll see a few thunder showers over a very similar area. It will be partly cloudy through the central parts. There is a very small chance for thunder showers, perhaps towards Bloemfontein as well. Otherwise, dry in KwaZulu-Natal and in the far west, although that weak cold front will bring in a small chance for some rain around the southwestern corner, particularly during the second half of Monday. Now, the South African Weather Service continues to issue a warning for a high fire danger across the western interior for today, thanks to the high temperatures and the very low humidity across the area. Rainfall probabilities now, and we can see isolated thunder showers will be possible for much of the northwest, including Mahikeng and Vryburg, similar in Gauteng as well as towards Polokwane, and we could see some thunder showers around Mbombela. Over the southern highveld of Mpumalanga, on the other hand, just a very slight chance. Rain-free conditions expected for the rest of the country today. Northwesterly winds getting up to 25 kilometers per hour for Bethlehem and Mahikeng, gusty in Sutherland, and strong northeasterly winds in the forecast around East London. Temperatures will rise above 30 degrees for most of the interior today, even above 40 for some parts of the northern, western and eastern Cape interior. Cooler along the western coastline, Cape Town at 27, and it's going to be a warm day along the east coast with Durban reaching a high of 28 degrees. A look ahead to Monday morning, and it's going to be quite mixed across the country to start off the day. Cooler for some areas in the west as well as over the high ground, but the rest of the country will be warm with temperatures in the mid to upper teens and low 20s for some places along the coast. Pretoria today gets to 34, partly cloudy. There is that chance for isolated thunder showers, but we're expecting the thunderstorms to dissipate later this evening. It will remain partly cloudy but dry, and we're expecting an overnight low of 16 for the capital. By Monday afternoon, those thunder showers will redevelop for Polokwane, 32 degrees as a high. Here we can see much cooler conditions for Cape Town, 24, and a small chance for light rain. And by Tuesday, the rain will spread along the south coast, but things will remain dry once again across the northern Cape.